Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we're all about healthy and delicious food. In our last video, we talked about the amazing benefits of eating salmon. So today we're diving into the world of salmon and sharing 5 amazing recipes that you won't want to miss. So let's get started. First up, we have a classic baked salmon recipe that's super easy and flavorful. Recipe 1, baked salmon with lemon and herbs. All you need is a salmon fillet, some thinly sliced lemon, and a mix of chopped herbs like dill, parsley, and thyme. We'll season the salmon with salt and pepper, top it with the lemon and herbs, and bake it in the oven for a quick and healthy meal. For our second recipe, we're grilling up some salmon skewers that are perfect for summer. We'll cut a salmon fillet into cubes, thread them onto skewers, and brush them with a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and herbs. Then, we'll grill them over medium-high heat for a few minutes on each side until they're cooked through. Recipe 3, salmon and avocado salad. We have a fresh and filling salmon salad that's perfect for lunch or dinner. We'll cook a salmon fillet and let it cool, then toss it with mixed greens, sliced avocado, cherry tomatoes, and red onion. To finish it off, we'll drizzle it with a balsamic vinaigrette for a burst of flavor. Recipe 4, salmon tacos with mango salsa. Who says salmon can't be used in tacos? For this recipe, we're making salmon tacos with a delicious mango salsa. We'll cook a salmon fillet and flake it into pieces, then mix it with diced mango, red onion, jalapeno, cilantro, and lime juice. We'll serve it up in warm tortillas and top it with sliced avocado and hot sauce for a kick of heat. Recipe 5, poached salmon with dill sauce. We're finishing off with a classic poached salmon recipe that's elevated with a creamy dill sauce. We'll poach a salmon fillet in a flavorful broth of water, white wine, onion, garlic, and bay leaves. Then, we'll mix together Greek yogurt, chopped dill, lemon juice, and salt to make a tangy sauce that pairs perfectly with the salmon. Well, there you have it. 5 amazing salmon recipes that are healthy, easy, and delicious. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you give these recipes a try. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy food ideas, and let us know in the comments which recipe you're most excited to make. See you in the next video.